Hello everybody, this is Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures and welcome to this vlog. I don't know what number it is offhand, but I'll figure it out later. It'll be in the title. So, let me see. I got a new camera, which is why you see me a lot clearer with a lot more light, a lot more definition. It's a nice camera. Let me see what else. I've been going through the boxes that were in front of that were all there. Look at that, all the boxes. In fact, that's open. I had that open earlier today. I had that open, so don't mind the mess. I still got some mess to clean up, but I'm done for the day. I'll do it the rest tomorrow. I've been working since 8:30 this morning, so I'm done. I'm done. Now, I still have a bunch of yarn I have to deal with over here, but I have another storage shelving unit that's coming up that I forgot completely about. So I've got to move that, and I'm pointing at my wire thing against the wall full of yarn. I got to empty that and move that so that hubby can carry that other thing up, and then I have to remake this so that it'll fit on top along with my roof, which goes like this. So yeah, I know what I mean. We'll get it done. That's tomorrow, I think. And we were going to go to Saskatoon and see our friends, but it didn't work out because the weather was not good, and now we're under a blowing snow advisory. We're under snowfall, and it snowed, and it was not nice. Sorry about that. Interruptions. So, anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm getting my craft room finally organized. It finally got to me, and I'm finally getting it done, so yay. It didn't get all done today, but that's okay. Work on it tomorrow. Got a plan of attack. So, yeah. Tomorrow I'll get more storage for my yarn. That'll be exciting. And then I'll be able to put more yarn out. That'll be exciting. So, yeah. I can't wait. Tomorrow's going to be a good day. Yeah. So how is everybody doing? I have been doing good. I have been doing my lives. I've been concentrating on my lives. I have not been doing a vlog, and I apologize for that. I should have done a vlog. So here I am, doing a vlog, talking to you while... No, I'm just talking to you. I'm not doing anything else. So, yay me. You have my undivided attention. So, let me see. What else can I say? I started a corner-to-corner blanket. It was supposed to be like a plaid blanket, but it didn't work out that way, and I know why it wasn't supposed to be that way, because it wasn't supposed to be a plaid blanket after all. It was meant to be a pattern blanket. Oh, it looks so pretty. So I'm not ready to show it yet, but it's coming along quite well. I haven't crocheted all today, because I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to game. It is 6:45 in the evening. I ducked out of a live I was watching so that I could do this video and get it posted so that I could game later. So I think that's what I'm going to do tonight until I go to bed, is game. Game and visit with my friends. I like to do that. So we got more snow. I don't know if you can see everything. Let's see if you can see everything. Oh yeah. Yeah.
So?
That's our soul. Look at that snow. We got lots of snow. I just did. So yeah, lots of snow. Lots of snow. It's been a cold winter so far. We've been having a lot of cold weather warnings. It's been a very snowy winter, as you could see. We've had a lot of snowfall warnings. We had snow gust warnings today. The wind was wicked, and then it started snowing again, and then it finally stopped snowing, but we were still under a blowing snow advisory. So it's a Saskatchewan winter. It's a harsh winter this year. It's a very cold one. But we're managing without a furnace. We are managing. Of course, I got smacked with a humongous power bill. I'm not going to say how much it is, but it is humongous. So that'll be paid off. Cheaper than rent. It's still cheaper than rent, as you can hear, and he's right. He's right. It is cheaper than rent. So we'll pay it off. And think of it this way. We're getting into spring and then summer, and then there won't be no need for heaters. It'll be nice and cheap then. So I got something to look forward to. It's just we've been running the heaters. The heaters have been running. Thank goodness they're eco-friendly and they go into a sleep mode when not needed. They adjust their temperature. We set it. Well, my husband set them all. So even with them on, it's a little, not a nip in the air. It's warm, but it's not as warm as I'd like. Let's put it that way. It's not as warm as I'd like, but oh well. So, I mean, they're good heaters, but you run them constantly, and you pay estimated readings, I guess, when it comes time to shore up for the year. It can hurt, so it hurts. We'll get through it. But yeah, it's cheaper than rent. And I love living here, so. And it feels so good having my craft room getting organized. It feels really, really good. And I wish I could do more tonight. Sorry, I just saw this bird fly past my window, so I wanted to know what kind of bird it was, but... Oh! Squirrel. That reminds me, I saw a great horned owl. There was a great horned owl on the power pole behind my neighbor's house the other night. And he looked at me and he hooted. It was so cool, and he just stayed there. He was huge. You could see his horns. It was so cool. Oh, great horned owl. Like, wow. So that happened. 2 weeks before that, there was a deer in my yard. Went in the morning to go let the dogs out and found I couldn't because there was a deer wandering in the yard, and I didn't want to scare it off. So it meandered through the yard towards the back alley, and once it hit the back alley, it booked it that way. And it was gone. And then I let the dogs out. So, yeah, wildlife. It's really cool. I like seeing the little tracks in the snow of the various wildlife as they go through the snowbanks. Because I made tunnels in the snowbanks. It's really cool. So, yeah. I like seeing that. I like living out here. It's really cool. I've always loved nature, but that comes from living in the pet store, right? I love animals. And it comes from growing up in McMurray, surrounded by trees. So, I love nature. I do. Go hug a tree. It'll do your soul good. It really will. Seriously, go try it. Don't knock it until you try it. You may feel silly, but really try it, and you'll feel a connection. You will. I know it is. Excuse me. So anyway, I'm going to let you go. I just wanted to pop on and say hi to everybody. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've just been doing my lives, and I will attempt to stop that and post more often. Especially now that I got my room organized. I'm getting it organized because the next job is once I get the yarn organized and my storage organizer here and the yarn organized, I can then possibly work on getting my work table organized. And once that gets organized, you know what that means? That means I can start creating jewelry and stitch markers again. I already have an order for a set of 5 stitch markers, so gotta get that done. I can't do anything right now with it like that. And I went through my mother's costume jewelry today, and I found some that I can make stitch markers out of, so I've taken those. I found a lot I'm going to donate, and I found some that I'll try and sell on Kijiji because they're really pretty and sparkly, and I think they're really pretty. So yeah. So that's all I'm doing lately. Oh, hubby's been buying me yarn. I've been getting some yarn, and I know I've been showing yarn. But I got January's yarn of the month from Mary Maxim in, and in it was a pattern for a scarf, and it was 5 skeins of this Premier Everyday Anti-Pilling, and it's in the colorway. Let me get it out. It's really pretty, and I've never had this yarn before. Like, oh my goodness, if you've used this stuff, you tell me what you've made with it, because I want ideas, because I've never used it before, but it's so soft and squishable. I like it. I like it a lot. So it's Premier Everyday Anti-Pilling. It's 180 yards or 165 meters. This is 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. It is a medium 4. It is machine wash warm, tumble dry normal. I like that. So yeah, this colorway is Winding River, and I've got 5 of them. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? You know, I like that. So yeah, Winding River. So I have 5 of them. So yay! So yeah, if you've used this stuff, please leave a comment. Let me know what you've made with it. If you want, go to my page, grab my email, send me an email and a picture of what you've made. I like those too. I'd like to see what you all make. So please, by all means, send me pictures, write a comment. Yeah, I'd like to know. Because I need ideas. I've never used it, so I don't want to just do a blanket or a scarf. I want to do something interesting. So anyway, I'm going to let you go. but this is my vlog number, whatever it is, and the number will be in the title. But I hope you all have a good day, have a good night, have a good morning. Whenever you're watching this, have a good one. And take care of you and take care of each other. And don't forget to be kind to yourself and be kind to each other. You don't know what path that person has walked or is walking. Okay? Peace, everybody. Have a great night, day. Have a good one.